How do you see this victory by Bhutan?
First of all, I'm very happy that he's got into the form. And I think I didn't see the game yesterday, but I heard that he really batted very well. I congratulate him for getting that 100, and also, I mean, I was given to understand that quite a few records were broken. So I think the records are meant to be broken. But I wish him the very best. I hope he holds on to the record for a long time, and I wish him the very best for the Champions Trophy. You know, if the way he played yesterday, if he keeps playing like that in the Champions Trophy, I have no doubt that India would definitely succeed in the Champions Trophy, and also take this opportunity to wish the Indian team the very best. And I would just ask them to go there and enjoy the game, and then bring the Champions Trophy back.
Do you think that he has many more years to play?
Well, I think it's an individual decision. I think it's better if you ask him, you know, because I mean nobody, I mean, has a right to, I mean, comment, you know, about a player's retirement, because it gets very touchy. Sometimes when a player is played for so long and you start talking about his retirement, it gets a little bit touchy. But I think it's up to the individual, and I think he has done well. He's got a good form. He's got his form back. Hopefully he'll keep this form keeps going, and then I mean he'll go on to the Champions Trophy as well. All the very best to the Indian team.
Right, so thank you. कल सीएम साहब ने जो बोला था कि वन नेशन वन इलेक्शन इज नॉट एक्जैक्टली वन नेशन वन इलेक्शन, इट्स पीएम मोदी's agenda of one party and one person. How do you see this statement?
No, I think he really said whatever he said was very correct, and I think when the CM has given the statement, I have not much to say, and I think he's given the statement, which is very, very true. I fully back him.
What is your opinion on?
No, my opinion is the same.
Sir, Priyanka Gandhi ji has also given a statement that, you know, the BJP is indeed weakening the democracy of this country. Do you feel the same?
Well, I think this has been happening for so many years, you know, because I think we have to arrest this problem. As soon as we arrest this problem, I think it's good for our